Hi, it's Jane from Poppy Patchwork, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make half rectangle triangles using the freezer paper method. Cut out rectangles in two different fabrics, all the same size as directed by your pattern, but oversized so you can trim them. Draw a diagonal line on the wrong side of the lighter fabrics. Opposite diagonals result in left and right-sided half rectangle triangles. Place the right sides together with your other fabric and the diagonal line placed corner to corner as shown. Sew a 1/4 inch seam on both sides of the line. Shown here for both left and right-sided half rectangle triangles. Cut along the drawn line. Press the seams open. Cut a rectangle to the finished size with freezer paper. Draw a diagonal line on the non-waxy side. Iron the freezer paper onto the right side of the half rectangle triangle and lay the diagonal line on top of the seam. Cut a 1/4 inch away from the freezer paper template on all sides of the half rectangle triangle. Note that the seam is now offset, and this is correct. Remove the freezer paper and sew as per the pattern. I have more quilting technique videos for you. Click on the link above and it will take you to my playlist. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and click the notification bell so you get to hear about all my new videos.